my dad said, you got to become a doctor. You got to become an attorney because they make money. And I would tell him, but you were a painter. He said, you don't want to be a painter. I said, maybe I don't want to be a painter like you, but I want to be a painter. I want to do something with houses and construction. You're fighting what everybody's telling you you should be, or you have to be, but you need a passion. See, the passion isn't in education per se to be a doctor, but it is in education. At a young age, I was learning how to be passionate. I was learning the passion of architecture. I was learning probably the best experience is seeing the before and after, and then bringing somebody in and watching them react to the after. So I would go to a house and paint a ceiling for $100, maybe do 2 in a day. And that's what I was going to do forever. I said, this is crazy. But it was a start. You can't just get a $50,000 job. You can't get a $5,000 job. You can't get a $10,000 job. So you do a $100 job. $50, $100 jobs later, $200 jobs. 200, 400, 500,000, 2,000. By myself. Then I got 1 guy, then I got 3 guys. What you're really doing is you're doing every job that comes your way. And that's the mistake. We started niching down. Niching down is where it comes into play. What's the most profitable job in the painting industry? Refinishing is the hardest job. The skill set, the equipment, the material, the patience. I mean, you screw up, you're rebuying, but you have to advertise. And you have to show people the before, the during, and after. It's not just the before and after. You have to show them the Yankees are coming to paint their house. And the Navy SEALs are there and they're not gonna do it any other way because this is the only way it's done. I'm watching The Profit. This young guy about websites comes in, telling him about this landing page software. And it was like this. I was like, oh my God, I gotta look that up. So I look it up. This is easy. I can see this. And I built the ugliest funnel that you've ever seen for painting. And then I'm looking at other funnels and I go back to my DVR and I was like, wow, that's way more simple than I made it. He's selling one thing. So I said, forget this. I'm gonna sell one thing. Only made 1 funnel, 1 product, just cabinet refinishing. ClickFunnels, you can click, what am I trying to do today? Well, I'm trying to sell a product. Boop, click that. Or I'm trying to pitch a product. Or I wanna just take in the information from the people. I just want an opt-in. It makes it so easy. The funnel has saved me not only in advertising costs, the ability to reduce admin. I don't care if you say you make $1 million a year, that's great. What do you make? Revenue and profit are 2 totally separate things. Before ClickFunnels, 600 to 800. After ClickFunnels, 65 a month. But what's my cost? A fraction of what it was before. And that's what matters.